woke up exhausted, and not just from lack of sleep. It's the quiet pressure that's been building. Responsibilities, decisions, expectations. This morning, you get to let it go. Let's hit the mat. Sometimes, the most powerful thing you can do is pause and let the ground hold you. Come to your knees, big toes touching, and fold your torso forward. Arms can reach ahead or rest beside you. Let your forehead press gently into the floor. With every exhale, feel your body melt just a little more. I promise this move is how you unlock safety, breath, and nervous system calm. If your hips don't reach your heels, place a cushion under them for support. Next one gently lifts you back into light. Now that you've grounded your breath, let's softly open the front of your body. When you've been curled inward under stress, it's time to rise and expand. Lie on your belly, hands under your shoulders, elbows tucked in. Press into your palms and gently lift your chest, keeping your hips on the floor. Keep your gaze soft. Let the lift feel effortless, not forced. I promise this move is how you unlock openness in your chest and clarity in your mind. Lower your chest slightly and use forearms instead of hands for a gentler variation. Hold for 5 more seconds and feel the breath move through your ribs. Now that your heart is open, let's release the tension hiding your hips and glutes. Your hips carry your emotions. This stretch invites them to soften. Lie on your back and cross your right ankle over your left thigh. Pull your left leg toward your chest, threading your hands through to hold. Switch sides after 30 seconds and breathe into the release. I promise this move is how you unlock pressure buried in your hips and lower back. Keep your bottom foot on the floor for a gentler release. Let's make this one your deepest exhale yet. Now that your hips are softening, let's soothe the spine and finish the release. This one's for your lower back, the place that often aches before you even leave bed. Stay on your back, hug your right knee into your chest and breathe deeply. Rock gently side to side if it feels good. Switch sides halfway through. I promise this move is how you unlock space in your spine and peace in your breath. If holding the shin feels tight, hold behind the thigh. You've come this far. Stay with me. Let's rise and finish with stillness and grace. Your neck carries more than just your head. It holds your stress, decisions, and fatigue. Sit comfortably. Drop your chin gently to your chest, then slowly circle your head to the right. Complete a few soft circles, then reverse. Keep the motion smooth and easy. I promise this move is how you unlock softness in the smallest, tightest spaces. If full circles feel too intense, simply tilt side to side instead. Let's make this last one your most gentle, loving motion of the day. Come back to center. Close your eyes for one more breath.